Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
Hi there. We start by establishing the balanced chemical equation for the neutralization reaction between nitric acid and sulfuric acid with calcium carbonate. So we have 2HNO3 plus CaCO3 producing CaNO3 and water and carbon dioxide. So from the equation, we established that 2 moles of nitric acid requires 1 mole of calcium carbonate for complete neutralization. And the reaction of sulfuric acid with the same carbonate gives us calcium sulfate, water, and carbon dioxide as the products. So from the balanced chemical equation, 1 mole of sulfuric acid reacts with 1 mole of calcium carbonate. Now we are given with the molarity of the two solution or the two acids as 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5 molar of H2SO4. And for the nitric acid, we have 8.7 times 10 to the negative 6. So 8.7 times 10 to the negative 6 molar. And the volume of the solution in which these two acids are dissolved is given to be 15.2 billion liters. So this is the volume, 15.2 billion that's going to be 10 to the power of 9 liters. And we wish to find the kilograms of CaCO3 needed to neutralize the said amount of acid in the certain volume, in the given volume. So we start by computing the amount in moles of sulfuric acid and nitric acid by multiplying their concentration by the given volume in liters. So we get for sulfuric acid, that's going to be equal to 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5, 10 times the volume. So multiplying gives us 273,600 moles, or that's 273,600 moles. Let us also compute the moles of nitric acid by still multiplying the molarity by the volume. So the molarity is 8.7 times 10 to the negative 6, and the volume is 15.2 times 10 to the power of 9. So multiplying gives us 13 or 132,240 moles. And next, what we will do is to convert each of the mole of the acid into mole of CaCO3 by using the relationship from the coefficients of the balance equation above. So let us recall, for every mole of sulfuric acid, we require 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So we will simply multiply this by 1:1, and of course this will give us the same value, which is 23 or 273,600. Now for mole of CaCO3 needed by 132,240 moles of nitric acid, we will use the fact that 2 moles of nitric acid requires 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So what we will get is 66,120. And so what we will do next is to get the total moles of CaCO3. So we get 339,720. So this is the total moles of calcium carbonate needed to neutralize the acids in the given volume of a certain volume. And then we will compute this, or we will convert this to mass by multiplying these moles by the molar mass of calcium carbonate. And what we will get is 339,720 times the molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100. So the mass in grams is going to be 339,72000, or in kilograms, noting that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams, is going to be 33972 kilograms, or that's 33,972 kilograms of calcium carbonate. So I hope this is clear.